Hello there. My name is Jordon. I'm here in Mumbai, India. Traveled across the great seas to be here from Canada. In Canada, it was discovered that I needed a hip joint replacement, and in our country, it was about a 2-year waiting list to get that done. And at my age, I don't have 2 years to be sitting around with a bad hip waiting, so I was looking into world travel to have this done immediately, and I come across a company called IndiCure, and so I contacted them, and they contacted me back, and we went back and forth for a week or so, and I decided that after researching online about India and IndiCure itself, I felt very comfortable coming here, so I did. And IndiCure arranged everything imaginable that I would need and more. They arranged to pick me up from the airport, and from that point, they took care of all my needs. They took care of travel from the airport to the hospital that they had booked for me, and a beautiful hospital it was. They supplied pretty much a 24-hour aid service for me to get from the hotel to the hospital, and from my surgery from the hospital, which was absolutely wonderful. My experience in the hospital was, I don't know if there's such a thing as more than 100%, but they went above and beyond the call of duty to take care of every need that I needed, and they made that operation and recovery the best that anybody could ever do, I think, in the world. They were just phenomenal. They really are terrific. And then at the hotel staff were more and more willing to go above and beyond to help my every need. Of course, I had trouble walking, getting to and from the room and to the restaurant to eat, and so on and so forth. And that staff at the hotel just did everything imaginable to help me to succeed that. I'd like to talk about India itself. Of course, coming from a foreign country, you don't know what to expect in a foreign or another foreign country. So the Indian people have been so kind. They from hello in the morning to a smiling face to anything you need. If they see you need anything, they're very, very helpful, and I truly believe that Indian people are some of the nicest people I've ever met on this planet, actually. Canada, of course, is known as the nice country and all the nice people, but I'm here to tell you, my eyes are open. When I've come to India, I think India compares to Canada easily, very easily. They're very nice. So in conclusion, I'd just like to say anybody that would think of hip joint replacement, knee surgery, any other medical issues that you may need done urgently or otherwise, please take the time and call IndiCure, and they will arrange everything for you. And you, from that point, will not have to worry about doing a thing. They will take care of everything for you. Thank you very much.